Hi guys, in this video we will see how to suggest and edit to a documents and leave comments. If you are the owner of a documents and would prefer for collaborators to have a suggest edits to your files, you can set the access permission to commenter. Launch your shared documents first and make it access permission to commenter. How to make access permission to commenter? Choose the shared icon from the top right corner and here go to your access people and set it as commenter. Click on a small arrow and choose commenter. This lets others make and edit to a document without the worry of others missing out in your file. When a collaborator makes an edit, the owner receives an email notifications regarding the suggested edit and can choose to keep to or discard the changes. If you look up at the top right of the documents window, you will see your current state. If you see suggesting, then you are good to go. If you see editing or viewing, then click that button and then click the suggesting options. So simply this is the suggestion received. If you want to change them, if you want to accept, then simply click on tick sign to accept the suggestion and cross sign for reject the suggestion. As soon as you click on the tick sign, your suggested word will amended accordingly from Google Docs page. So you can easily see, suggest and edit to a documents and leave comments